Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to download VLC media player. So let's get started. Just open your browser, then type VLC media player or just VLC. It will redirect you to the official website. This is the official website. Just click it and let it load. After you open that, you can watch different things there and then select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I selected, or it can automatically download also. So just click on that and your download shall begin. So it has redirected me to next page. Then click on start download. If you have IDM only, then only you have to do this, else the browser will download it. It might probably be in download section. Click on downloads, programs. It depends on where you have stored it before. So click on VLC media player, open it, or you can double click also. Click on OK, click on next, click on next again, click on install. Let it be installed. Let's wait for some moment. It takes less than a minute. Now click on finish and you can check it. Click on agree. Now you can check playing a video. So I'm just going to play a video in my VLC media player. So you can see it is being played. Well, VLC is great tool. I have been using this since 8-9 years.